Impacts of climate change on human civilization crossed the threshold limit since last couple of decades. Normal life quality and survivability has become deteriorated due to frequent onset of natural hazards. This reveals that we are in climate threat. Several anthropogenic influences such as uncontrolled emissions, deforestation, overusage, wastage of natural resources are only responsible for this climate violence. This is agreed by all. IGSSS is addressing this challenge through a community capacity building training package so that the community can mitigate the impact of natural hazards through minimizing their vulnerabilities and increasing capacities. This training package is comprised of several community-driven demonstration tools to identify the risks. This led to Gram Panchayat mitigation plan under community leadership in long run. By using different tools, vulnerability mapping, resource mapping, sectional mapping of disaster, and after aligning all the tools, a community can prepare their mitigation plan. Hazard Matrix. Hazard Matrix tool helps community in identifying the frequent natural hazards or disasters, the frequency of disaster, level of impacts, primary mitigation plan and responsibility, etc. Vulnerability and Capacity Assessment Circle. Vulnerability and Capacity Assessment Circle helps the community in identifying the vulnerabilities, weakness and capacities, strength in persons and infrastructures, so that they can prepare their mitigation plan accordingly. Seasonal Calendar. Seasonal Calendar tool helps community in identifying seasonal vulnerabilities such as hardly crop vegetable yield seasons, migration seasons, epidemics seasons, etc. Community can plan their crop cultivation, alternative livelihood sources, preventive measures in the pre-epidemics, etc. Historical Calendar. Historical calendar tools refers the history of onset of natural hazards disasters on the village since last couple of decades. This helps community to identify the seasons, months of frequent onset of natural hazards disasters. Accordingly, the community can plan for mitigation measures, family community level preparedness at pre-disaster seasons. Resource Mapping. Resource mapping tool helps the community in identifying their risks in the village through a village map which is drawn by them. The community can plan accordingly how to mitigate the risks in village through Gram Panchayat planning.